The use of the Welsh language can play a part in our lives in many ways, including information technology. If you use Windows 7, you can use a substantial proportion of the user interface in Welsh. Once you're ready to install, visit this download page on the Microsoft website. Then click Download. You'll be directed to a page which will ask you choose the download that you need, and it gives you a choice of two. LIP stands for Language Interface Pack. But how do you know which version you need? First of all, click on the Start button and hover your mouse over the word Computer. Then, right-click on Computer and choose Properties. Another page will appear. Under System, a line will note whether you have either a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. Make a note of which one you have and then return to the web browser page. If you have a 32-bit operating system, tick the choice containing the number 32. Similarly, if you have a 64-bit operating system, tick the choice containing the number 64. Click on Next at the bottom of the screen. The Language Interface Pack will begin to download. A security warning will appear. Click Save and save the file to your computer. You must then locate the file you've downloaded and saved and double-click it to install the Language Interface Pack. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the Language Interface Pack is installed, there is only one remaining step to ensure Windows 7 is in Welsh. Click on Start, then Control Panel, then under Clock Language and Region, choose Change Display Language. A new dialog box will appear. In that dialog box, under the tab Keyboard and Language, go to Choose a Display Language, select Cymraeg, and then click on Apply. Follow the on-screen instructions and log off. The next time you log in, Windows will be in Welsh. And those are the steps you follow to set up Windows 7 to Welsh. If you want to do this in your workplace, you should first check if it's possible to install such programs on your computer. Some workplaces only allow IT staff to do this. If you work in such a place, send a link to this video to your technical support staff and ask them to install the Microsoft Language Interface Packs on your behalf. Do you also use Microsoft Office? Watch our video on how to switch that interface to Welsh. Doing the little things and increasing your use of Welsh with technology goes a long way. And you can find more videos giving further instructions on our website.